Okay, so we're gonna go pick strawberries today. It's strawberry season here. Now they've got baskets full, but they're swinging in that direction. Plants, actually, but they look like they've been stripped already. This is the worst kept strawberry field I've ever seen. Like he said, it's all weeds. Okay, so my first encounter with a U Pickett farms for strawberries. I've been to them for tomatoes in the past, and I'm extremely disappointed. Pickings are slim, weeds are obnoxious, so we'll try some other spot. This place is just not worth the effort. Okay. Okay, so I'm at a strawberry U Pickett. Hooray, this is my second attempt. This is also an apple farm, so apples will be ready in the fall. We'll probably be back here if the berries are good. So, see what happens. Okay, berries look good. And it's time to start picking. Oh yes, this is awesome. Beautiful berries. At this rate, I'll have my basket filled in no time. Okay. And there's so many that I can just ignore all the small ones. Woohoo! Okay. Beautiful berries. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off and get to work. Once again, quite the berry patch. And it's getting filled quite quickly. Okay, so I'm picking in this strawberry field, and there's nothing but strawberries as far as the eye can see, except over there where there's apple trees. Now I have managed to pick a large basket of beautiful berries that I'm going to turn into jam, and in the process I lost and found my camera lens cap. I had no hope of finding it because it's like looking for a needle in a haystack. But I kept picking berries and retracing my steps and hoping I would find it, and sure enough, I was led to it. It was awesome. Thank you. So this particular facility has apples and strawberries, and that's all they have. Just about any kind of apple you'd like, but it's too early in the season for apples. But the strawberries are awesome. So here I am. I'm off home now. I'm tired, I'm sweating, it's very hot, but the berries, it's definitely a warm one here today. Now, so if you like this video, please subscribe, comment, share, and like, and feel free to ask any questions that you may have. Thank you. Have a great day.